Hey guys, what's up? It's Nancy on G by Nancy. Today we're going to do a super simple tutorial. I'm basically just getting ready for work, so let's get to it. Basically just going to do my usual, which is just my eyebrows, a little blush, some foundation, and and my lashes because I love my lashes. So for work, we're going to go ahead and use my Neutrogena. So today is fixing to be a very, very long day for me because, so I work at a tax firm and, well, okay, so I thought, since I love working with kids, I thought working at a tutoring center would be amazing, right? Along with working at a tax firm. So I decided that I was going to continue working at the tutoring center while I worked during tax season. I don't know how I thought that was going to be a great idea. That happened to be the worst idea. And tax season hasn't really started for us, but it's gonna start in just like a few days, and I am super excited, but at the same time I'm very scared just because I really need to figure out what I'm gonna do with at the tutoring center. I might consider telling them just like, hey, you know, I can't do it just because I have 5 classes. I am trying to study, I'm trying to work at this firm, and it's just too much, but I really enjoy having my own little class. I don't know what to do, and today I work there, so I'm gonna go into work and then get off a little early so I can make it to the tutoring center, and I am totally not excited, but it's gonna be a long day. That looks funny. It's gonna be a long day, and I'm just gonna embrace it. And yeah, was it Tuesday? Yeah, on Tuesday I actually worked from 10 to 10, I want to say, to like, I was gonna leave at 4, but I ended up I had too much work. I ended up leaving at like 4:35, which is like not that, like, you might think it's not like that bad, but with Houston traffic, oh my god, it was almost impossible to get to the tutoring center. I had to call in and tell them, hey, you know, I'm gonna be like probably 30 minutes late, but just hold the fort down, I'll be there. And when I finally made it, I mean, during that day was payday, so I got to speak to my boss and I explained everything to him, but I was like, you know, I really don't want to quit like here at the tutoring center because I love it so much. And he was like, no, we don't want you to leave. He's like, we can work with your schedule. So I don't know what I'm gonna do right now, but I really need to figure something out. I probably think I'm just gonna tell him to wait, and I'm just gonna finish this tax season nice and strong, and then we'll see where we go from there. Blend, 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 blend. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend the other side. Honestly, I should have put this a little higher. So we're gonna go ahead and set our under eye. I'd rather just use a little bit of mascara and stick to fake lashes, stick to my falsies, which I absolutely love, 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 love. I actually love these lashes that I basically stocked up for like the whole month. So I'm getting to the point where I use them on the daily, but they're so great that I wouldn't change them for anything. But no, real talk, they're amazing. And I feel like they really change my makeup look when I wear lashes. So why not, right? Why not? What do you guys think? Yay or nay? I think yay, 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 yay. Love my lashes. I absolutely love. Yeah, even though this is a makeup look for work, I do sometimes use, what's it called? I do sometimes use eyeshadow because why not? Why not be extra, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do some very, very, very quick eyeshadow. It's gonna be basically super basic. So I'm just gonna go in with like a light colored shade and just basically do that. And then once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a darker shade. These are on kind of like in the family of the nudes. And I'm just gonna go over that a little. I basically just apply it very, very, very lightly. And I'm gonna say that's gonna be it. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some lip gloss to pop off this glam. Okay, screwed my left side of my lip up. Let me see if I can clean it up a bit. Okay, so I already went ahead and did some eyeliner. Really felt like my look needed something else. Not that it has to be extra glam, but I do like my makeup. It's kind of like, it's a hobby. It's basically a hobby. So this low-key relaxes me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, right? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.